Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage Q, Mrs. Kedgley, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. Oh no, not again, Mrs. Kedgley cried as steam, smoke, and a burnt smell rose from the frying pan and wafted through the kitchen. She had been trying to make pancakes for over a week. No matter how much she tried, they always seemed to turn out terrible. Mrs. Kedgley tipped the broken, uneven mixture into the trash can next to the oven. Well, she said to herself as she put 2 slices of bread into the toaster, I can try again tomorrow. Questions. What is Mrs. Kedgley doing? What has happened that resulted in her exclamation? What is meant by the word terrible as it is used in the text? Will Mrs. Kedgley repeat this activity in the future? Was Mrs. Kedgley improving? Now let's check the answers. What is Mrs. Kedgley doing? Mrs. Kedgley is making pancakes. We know this because in the second sentence it says she had been trying to make pancakes for over a week. What has happened that resulted in her exclamation? Well, steam, smoke, and a burnt smell rose from the frying pan. Or we could say Mrs. Kedgley had burned the pancakes. What is meant by the word terrible as it is used in the text? Here's the word terrible. Well, here terrible means perhaps not to a good standard, not delicious, not nice to eat, or not as she expected. All good answers. Will Mrs. Kedgley repeat this activity in the future? Yes, she will try again tomorrow. Was Mrs. Kedgley improving? No, she wasn't. She had tried many times, but they always turned out terrible. Thank you for your time. How did you go?